Workflow at a standstill because of the Chrome library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix this software conflict for good. Get the professional Chrome library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This DLL file is the primary library for the Google Chrome browser. It contains the majority of functionality, including the rendering engine and networking stack, making it the largest core component. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This issue indicates a problem within the Google Chrome installation. Reinstall the latest version of Google Chrome from the official site to restore the Chrome library DLL safely. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Chrome library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Using an incorrect or outdated version of the Chrome library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If library links appear fragmented, the repair utility linked below provides background information on maintaining the Chrome library. Thank you for trusting us with the Chrome library repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.